All right, guys, you want your vr30 to look like this and to sound like this for just under $120? All right, guys, today we'll be changing out these intakes. And to get to these, we're gonna be undoing these right here, the little tabs. Make sure you don't break them. Leave these two alone, and that's how you get to them. Same thing on the other side, just those. And you're just gonna lift it right up, and it should just come out. All right, these are pretty dirty. I had to clean these, I think, not too long ago when I first got this car. It was really dusty, super sandy. These were really bad. So I got these fresh new ones. Or what you could do is fucking get rid of this and get some of these. This is your way of doing this intake setup that I'm going to be doing right now for less than $200, maybe less than even $150. I got these inlets. They were $40 each. 1, 2, that's 80. And I got these 14 each. That's, I'm not good at math, so maybe it's like what, 120, 130 almost, not even. And I went ahead and got some extra brackets just in case, but you can use your OEM. You don't need the extras that I got. Like, you don't need them even, but if you do, they're like $2. You're gonna take out this bolt, that bolt right there, same on this other side. You're gonna undo this. There's gonna be a little clip piece underneath, over there, over here. And I'm obviously gonna be doing a how-to anyways on camera. You're gonna do a step-by-step, and you're gonna end up with this amazing result. Little 10 mil. Lift this up slightly and get to that bolt as well. Just like, once you unbolt them, just put them aside. All right, so we're gonna undo this one and this one. Push it off. And then you're gonna yank this up without damaging the bottom clamps, or clips, whatever they are.
All right,
let's go. Now that you can move this slightly, you're gonna look back here. There's gonna be obviously a clip. Just wanna loosen it, just like that, without damaging anything.
Come on, man.
Just like so. Now you're gonna grab another Phillips, or the same Phillips. Right here, that band, you're just gonna twist it like so to put it in the unlock position. Okay, that's good.
It's gonna fight you.
And then do the other one as well.
See it?
Yeah. Oh, it came right out. Woo! All right, now we're just gonna unscrew these on both sides. Now the second one. And while you're here, just take out this little piece. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter. You don't need it, you're not gonna need it.
Pussy bomb back lad.
You're gonna take an 8 millimeter. And I think that's what it is. I think it's working. Alrighty. Just like that. The dirt. Fucking, okay, whatever. Woo!
What? It's fine.
See them turbos. All right, so you're just gonna add the MAF sensor piece right on top of the turbo inlet. Anyways, you're gonna screw it on. All right, we're gonna stick a towel in it. Make sure the sensor doesn't get anything, and we're gonna put this right on.
Show some fucking video.
All right, before we put the air intake on, just put the MAF sensor on. Just like that. Oh yeah.
It's a big pussy.
Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna fit this bad boy on. All right, guys. Now we're just gonna tie in the air intake on.
Right.
Wow, yeah. This is really nice. All right, so it should look like this. the other side. Just like that. Now I got the sensor off. Now we're gonna get to there. It's an 8mm. And then I'm gonna undo the 2 screws underneath. Alright, now we're just gonna push it all the way on.
Boy, elbows. Your hands in the way, man. Like, I'm just trying to freaking record.
Alright, now we're just gonna plug this in. Yeah. Alright guys, after the install, your intake should look like this. Snuggy. Okay, we're geeking out. This actually fit. We didn't think it would. But oh my gosh, that is sick. Wow.